Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens with ham. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 pounds of fresh collard greens and a ½ pound of smoked ham hock or bacon. Begin by washing your collard greens very well under cold water to remove any dirt. Next, remove the tough stems and chop the leaves into roughly 1-inch pieces, preparing them for cooking. Now, let's build the flavorful base for our greens. Dice your ½ pound of smoked ham hock or bacon into small, manageable pieces. Cook this in a large pot over medium heat until it's beautifully crispy and has rendered its fat. Then, add 1 chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves to the pot, sautéing them until they are fragrant and softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. It's time to add the star of the dish. Introduce your chopped collard greens to the pot, stirring them in with the ham and sautéed aromatics. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, which adds a lovely tang. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Bring the collard greens mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 1½ to 2 hours. The greens should become incredibly tender, and the pot liquor, that flavorful broth, will be rich and delicious. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed before serving. These collard greens are perfect alongside cornbread or roasted chicken. And for more great tips on managing your money, check the description below for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.